Today, I'm going to show you how to incorporate a fragrance into your tear-free shampoo. You need 4 ingredients to make this shampoo: surfactant blend, distilled water, preservative, and of course, fragrance oil. First, weigh the distilled water in a container. In a separate container, weigh the surfactant blend. Next, add the fragrance oil. Here, the surfactant will act as a solubilizer. Make sure the fragrance oil and the surfactant are homogeneously mixed. Next, combine phase A and phase B together and mix well. When producing a larger batch, an overhead stirrer can be used to facilitate an easier production procedure. Finally, add the preservative. Remember to measure the pH both before and after the preservative is added. If required, use sodium hydroxide or citric acid to adjust the pH. Don't worry if there are bubbles or if the mixture looks cloudy. It will clear by the next day. The complete formula is available on our website. Stay tuned for additional posts by following us on TikTok and Instagram. If you have not seen our previous video on how to make a tear-free shampoo with just 3 ingredients, do check it out. Be sure to subscribe and give us a thumbs up for more videos.